Hi, this is V.S.Patel. You are watching VSP Law channel. Today we are discussing Bombay High Court recently expressed their concern over the misuse of the Protection from Domestic Violence Act. So the case law is that Dhananjay Mohan Jumbade versus Prachi Dhananjay Jumbade. The case dated is that 1/8/2023, in which Honorable Justice R.M. Joshi of the Bombay High Court voiced concern over the misuse of the protection from domestic violence by the stranger wives against their husband and his family members and including distant relatives in order to make arrangement. So, as per settled law, that the act must be between the complainant, that is the wife, and husband only. But the distance relative will be adding in this case that the intention of some of the wives is that to make a pressurized harassment against their husbands. Not only they are adding the distance relatives and relatives those who are not concerned with the such activities of harassment. So this is unfortunate expressed by the Bombay High Court. Then the real victim will be used that law only, law of the Domestic Violence Act, Protection from Domestic Violence Act. But some of the wives, some of the women, they are using such acts, Protection from Domestic Violence Act, for revenge purpose and for harassment the husband and his family member, even though there is no harassment caused. Some of the wives only. But that act must be benefit for the real victims. But don't use the other purpose. It should be used for the protection from the harassment of the husbands and his family members only. So that it is that the Bombay High Court expressed that is that misusing of the domestic violence, Protection from Domestic Violence Act. But my opinion is that that law is a very specific law for the protection for the women only. But real victims shall use when they became a victim due to the harassment by their husbands, only they can use that. But it is not used for time pass or harassment but revenge purpose. If using some of the person, the real victim will get a loss, irreparable cost and loss cost to the that real victims. But don't misuse the protection from the domestic violence. If it is harassment caused really, such a victim will use such a protection from Domestic Violence Act. This is the session, friends. Finally saying that only that protection from the Domestic Violence Act will used by the victim, that is the real victims of the women or wives. Please don't you misuse that such a act by the female person against the male persons. So this is the topic, friends. You have any some idea, then you can give the like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. V.S.Patel VSP.